Okay, so I wanted to show you this Ison and this path that it's going on, and I wanted to show you exactly what we have to worry about here. Um, this is a NASA simulation, little automated thing here. Shows the path of Ison, the planets, uh, their orbits, and all that. So, anyways, this starts in July 2013 and goes all the way to January of 2014. So we'll go ahead and just watch this, and then I'll show you what there is to worry about. You'll see Ison starting to come in. You see Mars there, passes Mars, goes past Earth and Mercury, and Sun there, and then heads back out. And of course, they're showing you, no big deal, of course. But right up here, I'm going to pause this. Okay, right here. And then we're going to rotate this here a little bit so you can actually see. Okay, and we're going to zoom in. Maybe we went too far. But anyways, now as you can see the comet going right past Mars there. Okay. So, anyways, when you go off their trajectory, you got Mars here, and then you got Ison up here. Okay. Basically, what this is showing is that Comet Ison is actually going to hit the top side of Mars here on October the 1st of 2013. Roughly, this is Eastern Standard Time. It'd be 2200 hours, right around, closer to 2300 hours. As you can tell right up here in this time frame. So after this hits Mars, it's going to push all this debris out here into Earth's orbit from the impact, and of course what's ever left of Ison after that will continue on its way. Probably not the same path that they're showing here. I imagine that it's gonna bounce off of Mars and probably go back out into space, what's ever left over of it, and of course the debris. So if we go ahead and play this a little bit, you see the impact of Mars. Then we're going to stop this here. We're going to turn a little bit before, okay, and then you're going to see that on November the 3rd of 2013, okay, whatever left of Ison, and of course all the debris from Mars, it's going to actually be right here in Earth's path. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and play this, and then you got Earth coming up, and we're actually going to hit this debris field as you can see right here on January the 8th of 2014, roughly at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So all the remnants of Mars, the debris, and of Ison is going to be collected up by our moon, our atmosphere. We're going to have chunks falling into the Earth, and of course our moon's going to turn blood red. Our water will turn sulfury from the comet. Basically all the bad parts of the Bible here. But anyways, what I found ironic about this is the fact that when you think about this, remember the the asteroid, the meteor that hit Russia back in 2011, February 2011. Okay, scientists said that they have 20 other asteroids the same size on the same path. They said that there would be a 2-year span before we would see the next one. And they're calling these the brothers of the meteor that hit in Russia. Okay. Well, 2 years is 1 month, basically. A little less than 1 month. It's right around 1 month after we go through this debris field of Ison and our moon turns red. Which also lines up with the Bible of our moon turning red and there being a comet or a big meteor that hits the Earth. And this kills 1/3 of the population. So, anyways, I just found this kind of interesting. This is, as I said, on the NASA website. You can tell when Ison be visible in telescopes, visible to the naked eye, the dates, what to expect here. So everybody who's saying that the Earth's going to end or get hit in November, they have no idea what they're talking about. If we skip back here to November, you will see that the whole month of November here, as you move this along, there's no threat to Earth yet. Okay? October the around October the let's see here. Around October the 1st, I can't quite get it lined up here. We got first impact on Mars, and then we go around here. The debris field ends up in our path. Then we'll skip up here, and of course, right there in December, that's not Ison hitting Earth. If I rotate this, you'll see Earth is below Ison there. Just look that way. But once we fast forward a little bit into January, around the 7th, we start getting into the debris field, and then we'll go out 1 month later, which the Earth would be a little bit further down this way, and that's when all these other asteroids, these other 20 brothers of the one that hit Russia, will start hitting Earth. So anyways, you can just tell me your thoughts and let me know what you think. I just found this kind of interesting, and we'll see you next time. I appreciate your watching.